Okay, today we are going to the Prospect RV Park in Wheat Ridge, Colorado. Here we are getting off of I-70 onto Ward Road, and then once we get up here to the light, we will turn left on 44th Avenue. I know this to be a safe area as I've had several clients there in the general area, including one which was an RV dealership. There's a couple here close by. And it's about a half hour to downtown Denver from here, and you're really close to the Coors Brewery. So if you wanted to go take a tour of that from here, that'd be really good. Overall, they have 70 RV sites, 47 with full hookups, and 23 that were water and electric only. This is one of the few places in and around Denver that has monthly rates, although it may be a long wait to get one of those spots. They only have limited spots with that. So here we are, as I say, not very far from Ward Road, off to the right. The website, if you want to contact them, is prospectrv.com, and we'll just go ahead and do a quick drive through of the parking lot area, and you can see how it's set up and make your decision as if you want to stay here or not. Anyhow, I think that's it for today. Thank you very much, and have a great day.